96% of U.S. consumers have heard of and/or use Scotchgard protection products. I'm going to demonstrate today how our 3M Scotchgard vehicle protection products are professionally applied. The Scotchgard vehicle protection products include 4 Scotchgard protectant products. We provide products that are developed to protect each individual substrate of the vehicle. Scotchgard paint sealant, Scotchgard carpet protectant, Scotchgard fabric protector, and Scotchgard leather and vinyl protector. It is important to always wear the appropriate safety equipment for each application procedure. You will need safety glasses and protective gloves. All products are ready to use. The vehicle must be clean on the inside and the outside for these products to be applied to and to protect the interior and exterior surfaces of the vehicle. Pull the OEM mats out of the vehicle and apply the carpet protector, followed by leather and vinyl or fabric instead. Then move to carpet, followed by paint protector. Scotchgard leather and vinyl protector. Wipe on, leave on, concentrated leather vinyl cream. Confirm you are using leather vinyl product and not the paint sealant. Scotchgard leather and vinyl protector provides an invisible barrier and blocks ultraviolet light and prevents premature aging, cracking, and fading. Non-greasy formula keeps the look of the leather and vinyl. Test in an inconspicuous area before use. Put a small amount of the product on a clean cloth. Spread evenly using a circular motion, working the gel into the surface. Textured surfaces may require a second application. Turn cloth frequently and buff to a gloss. Wipe off any excess material in seams, edges, or adjacent areas with a clean, dry cloth. Apply with either a Meguiar's applicator pad or a Meguiar's or 3M microfiber towel. Use circular motion with more effort on old surfaces, less on new. Do one section at a time. When you are done working it in, it will be dry to the touch. Should not be wet. Use a small amount to start. No need to over-apply. During final inspection, look for any excess product starting to turn white inside the vehicle. If the leather and vinyl is pinholed, perforated, or seamed, make sure not to over-apply in those areas. It is important to start with a thin, even application with a microfiber towel or applicator pad. If you do see residue in the pinholes or seams, wipe up with a damp microfiber cloth. If deeply penetrated, use a Q-tip. Product will not harm heating and cooling mechanism in the seats. Manufactured for hot to cold temperatures. Scotchgard Fabric and Upholstery Protector, professional grade aerosol spray. Spills settle on the surface rather than absorbing. Liquids such as coffee, ketchup, and milk wipe off easily. Product won't alter the appearance of the fabric. Apply to clean fabrics. Shake well before spraying. Make sure you have a good even spray flow from the nozzle prior to applying to the vehicle fabric. Hold can upright 6 inches from fabric surface, using a 50% spray pattern to treat the fabric. 2 light coats are better than 1 heavy coat. Allow fabric to dry between coats. Application tip. On upholstery, avoid heavy application and saturation into foam cushioning. A light spray coating once in the horizontal direction and once in the vertical direction should be sufficient. If necessary, a second light spray may be applied after the first one has dried. Note: wipe any overspray off adjacent surfaces to avoid visible residue or staining. This can be removed with water and a clean cloth. Dry time depends on the amount applied and the temperature or humidity. The fabric should never be oversaturated or very wet to the touch. This means it has been over-applied and will lengthen the dry time. These are all professional grade, concentrated products, so more is not better. Scotchgard Carpet Protector Non-Aerosol Spray. First, pour the 1-gallon ready-to-use carpet protector product into a secondary spray bottle. Carpet fibers repel mud, dirt, slush, and grease. Messes clean up easily before stains form. Product won't alter the appearance of the carpet. Apply to clean carpet. Shake well before spraying. Hold spray bottle 6 inches from the carpet. Overlap spray using a sweeping motion to evenly treat the carpet. Allow carpet to dry completely, typically 3 to 6 hours. If white residue remains on the carpet after drying due to over-application, simply remove with light brushing. Wipe any overspray off adjacent surfaces to avoid visible residue or staining. This can be removed with water and a clean cloth. Do not use Scotchgard carpet protector on fabric and upholstery. Only Scotchgard fabric and upholstery protector should be used on fabric and upholstery. Dry time depends on heat, humidity, and saturation. Shake well, don't soak. Adjust sprayer to a mist, not a stream. Always test your spray flow. Product is very concentrated. Again, over-application does not improve the product performance. If you overspray, you may see white residue. Just brush lightly with a brush or dry cloth. Wipe off all adjacent areas with water and a clean cloth after completing the application. Scotchgard Paint Protector. Wipe on, wipe off paint sealant technology. Confirm you are applying the Scotchgard paint sealant. The paint protection product protects against de-icing agents, tree sap, bird droppings, and acid rain. Treated finishes resist weather-induced fading, paint oxidation, and loss of gloss. Applying the paint protection product with the MT300 saves on application time and is more efficient while applying the paint sealant more evenly across the vehicle surface. Apply and remove product one panel at a time. Remove any excess product from the adjacent surfaces such as vinyl and rubber using a microfiber towel. Remove residue and buff to a high gloss using a microfiber towel. Apply a quarter size amount of the sealant to an applicator pad. Wipe on the sealant in a circular motion using a 50% overlap. Apply to one panel at a time, then wipe off with a clean microfiber towel. Repeat until the entire vehicle has had the sealant applied. Don't let it haze. This just makes it tougher to wipe off. The longer you let it haze, the harder you have to work to get it off. And you add more potential for wipe marks. These marks can be removed with a damp microfiber towel. During wipe-off, use more than one cloth if it becomes saturated. You may only need one towel to wipe off a regular-sized vehicle. There you have it. That is how you professionally apply Scotchgard's vehicle protection products.